Welcome aboard our journey to unlocking the riches of the AI revolution through 7 game-changing tools. By the video's end, you'll possess the expertise to harness the wealth-generating capabilities of artificial intelligence. So, buckle up and let's embark on this transformative voyage together. Get ready to witness the power of AI in shaping a prosperous future. First tool, video translation with HGen. Are you prepared to transcend language barriers and connect with a global audience? Introducing HGen, the ultimate AI tool for seamless video translation. With HGen, effortlessly translate your content into multiple languages, paving the way for new markets and boundless opportunities. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or business owner, HGen empowers you to engage with audiences worldwide, including Japanese speakers. Don't allow language barriers to impede your progress. Embrace the transformative power of AI with HGen and unlock the true potential of your videos. Unlock the gateway to global expansion through video translation. By eliminating language barriers, you pave the way for unparalleled growth, boosting AdSense revenue, securing lucrative sponsorships, and driving product sales. Here's a pro tip. Extend beyond translating your own content. Offer translation services to others to broaden your reach, open new income streams, and expand your expertise. Second tool, AI-generated art with Pika. Are you ready to elevate your creativity and make a lasting impact? Introducing Pika Art, a revolutionary AI project reshaping the landscape of art and video. With Pika Art, unleash your imagination and craft visuals that push the boundaries of convention, unlocking endless creative horizons. Say goodbye to ordinary content and welcome unique, eye-catching masterpieces that leave a lasting impression. Whether you're an artist, content creator, or entrepreneur, Pika Art empowers you to thrive in a competitive market. Calling all creators and artists, dive into the captivating world of AI-generated art and unlock lucrative opportunities for monetization. Third tool, AI artistry with free flow. Embark on an exciting journey into the thriving world of AI artistry with free flow, your ultimate gateway to simplified art creation. From crafting charming stickers to producing captivating poster prints, the opportunities are truly limitless. With Free Flow, unlock your creative potential effortlessly, exploring a myriad of possibilities without any hassle. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a novice, Free Flow empowers you to innovate and flourish in the exhilarating realm of AI-generated art. Unlock the full potential of AI to maximize your earnings by curating themed image collections for passive income online. With AI's assistance, crafting captivating collections has never been more accessible. Fourth tool, AI website building with 10. Say farewell to the complexities of web development with 10 Web, the revolutionary AI-powered website builder. With 10 Web, crafting professional-grade websites is a breeze, slashing delivery times and commanding premium prices for your services. Welcome efficiency and profitability into your workflow as you harness the power of AI to streamline your processes and wow clients with stunning websites that stand out in the digital realm. Embrace the future of web development with 10 Web and witness your business soar to new heights of success. Unlock unparalleled success in the digital landscape with AI-powered website building, catering to both business owners and web developers alike. Harness the transformative power of customization to amplify your brand identity and distinguish yourself from competitors. With AI at your disposal, you possess the tools to craft websites that embody your unique vision and captivate your audience. Don't settle for mediocrity. Fifth tool, Screenshot to Code. Embark on a revolutionary journey in web development with Screenshot to Code, an AI tool reshaping the coding landscape. Bid farewell to the tedious headaches of manual coding as this innovative tool effortlessly transforms web page screenshots into functional code within seconds. By streamlining the development process, Screenshot to code not only saves time and effort, but also empowers developers to unleash their creativity and innovation.
Nice.
Embrace the cutting-edge future of coding and revolutionize your development workflow with Screenshot to Code today. Say goodbye to coding barriers with Screenshot to Code, the ultimate equalizer in web development. Regardless of your coding background, this user-friendly tool levels the playing field, allowing anyone to bring their ideas to life effortlessly. Pro tip: leverage Screenshot to Code for rapid prototyping and seamless customization, speeding up your development process and turning your vision into reality in record time. Sixth tool: make real AI. Seize control of your development journey with Make Real AI, the empowering solution that simplifies app and website creation. Bid farewell to the complexities of coding as Make Real AI automates code generation, enabling effortless element definition. Streamline your development process and unleash your full potential with this intuitive tool. With Make Real AI, coding expertise becomes a thing of the past. Anyone can bring their ideas to life. Set your creativity free with Make Real AI, where innovation knows no bounds. Leave behind the constraints of advanced coding skills as this tool empowers you to bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Pro tip: explore the wealth of features offered by Make Real AI to craft applications that are not only unique, but also highly functional. With Make Real AI, your imagination is the only limit. Seventh tool: AI-powered software development. Enter the cutting-edge realm of software development with AI-driven tools, where innovation seamlessly intertwines with efficiency. Embrace the revolutionary wave and streamline your workflow with solutions that not only simplify tasks, but also shorten development cycles, ultimately boosting overall efficiency. By embracing AI, you open doors to a plethora of new opportunities for businesses and developers alike, laying the groundwork for unprecedented growth and success. Remain at the forefront of innovation with AI-powered software development, propelling your business towards unprecedented growth and success. By harnessing cutting-edge technologies, you not only maintain a competitive edge in the market, but also enhance efficiency and productivity to unparalleled levels. Remember, the key to staying ahead lies in staying informed about emerging trends and technologies. So, continuously educate yourself and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of software development to ensure your sustained success in the dynamic digital realm. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, remember to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insightful content. And always keep in mind, the pathway to wealth and success is illuminated by the transformative power of AI. Stay curious, stay engaged, and let's continue shaping the future together. See you in the next video.